Hello, I'm Neil. I'm usually a tightwad dad, which means that we try to be happy with what we've already got. That's what the words on the screen say there. So this is probably not very tightwad daddy, but today I'm at IKEA. So we're here and it's really empty.
Yeah.
And they've closed the top floor of the car park so that I guess it's for the queuing. You're supposed to you're supposed to only be one adult and one child. It's sort of frowned upon to bring a child. Oops. So I've split up with my wife and my son. There's a metaphor for you from IKEA there.
And we're pretending to not be related.
Ooh, it's quite cute. Whoa. Then we found out why the top floor of the car park was closed. Yep, there is a major queuing system in place. We went first thing on a normal weekday and this is what it looks like at around 10 o'clock in the morning.
Sneak under. Whoa!
At least you can see the cruise ships.
Yeah.
They provide chairs for you at different points in the queue.
My foot.
I can smell everyone. We queued for about 40 minutes. Then when you do get to go in, we really recommend you bring your own bags to carry around. Those famous reusable yellow bags that they hand out at the entrance obviously aren't there anymore. And there's a single hand sanitizer dispenser, which to me smelt a bit like cognac.
Yeah, I have. It's disgusting.
So the hand sanitizer
Smells like booze.
Yeah, it smells like booze.
And it's disgusting.
It's lovely.
Ooh.
It's like I'm going through IKEA's stinking drunk. This is our first time that we've gone anywhere for 3 months. It was weird being around other people and not, in a supermarket. Gotta say, people in here aren't quite down with the whole 2 metre thing. It's almost like 3 months practice wasn't quite enough. Like in any regular theme park, there were things that were closed and taped off. Oh, it's the saddest sight. Restaurant closed. We had this question though, which is if the restaurant's closed, are the toilets open? And yeah, they are. Toilets and the lifts were pretty much the only places where we saw hand sanitizer on the upper floor, so you might want to bring your own. There were extra stickers on the floor and these sneeze guard clear blinds for the staff workstations. I saw a woman just now. She did exactly what I would have done. Because I feel like I should be wearing a face mask. So she's wearing this face mask and she goes up to a worker to ask them a question and she pulls the mask down to ask the question. It's like, I'm touching my face now. It's so quiet. It's so quiet. It was only meant to be a quick trip, but we ended up there for over 3 hours. So the big question now is, will there be anything for us to eat? So can you see down into the warehouse there?
Oh yeah, we're going down there.
Yeah. So we're going to see now if the hot dogs and the ice cream are open.
Takeaway.
We've brought out one item, which is down here. I don't know if you can show that. Maybe I should do an unboxing. I should do an unboxing because I always get thousands of views when I do an IKEA product here on the Tight Wad Dad vlog.
I hate that word.
What, Tight Wad Dad? Yeah, I do too.
Oh, Swedish meatballs.
Meatballs. We got.
Yay!
So we've got a thing and some meatballs. Meatballs and thing. The checkouts were exactly the same, but with no queues whatsoever. So going early seemed to pay off for us. Well, payoff's probably a bad phrase with the amount we spent. But we did want to spend more on those hot dogs. So is that hot dog stall still open? It was! There it is! And again, absolutely no queues. There's no ice cream machine or unlimited fizzy drinks, just cans for £1.20, which we didn't go for. But they do the meatballs, though we decided to go for hot dogs this time. And that's what IKEA, or IKEA, looks like now that it's open again after the COVID lockdown. Show me a hot dog. Yeah. So we got the hot dogs. So we got the hot dogs. We got a little bit of hand sanitizer. That was good. It wasn't quite as bad as I thought it would be. You know, there's fewer people in the store, which is great. But they don't like distance. That's not a cultural thing we seem to be doing in this country yet. Thanks for coming on our journey with us, and hope you got to shop vicariously through us on this video without spending hundreds of pounds or dollars, depending on where you are. Where are you? We'd love to know. Leave us a comment. If you've reached this point in the video, thanks for watching. Why not hit thumbs up if this has been at all helpful? And if you're feeling even kinder, why not hit the subscribe button? We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Don't think that's ever going to happen.
It will!
Well, maybe one day. But if you did subscribe, it takes us one step closer. So thanks again. And I'll see you on the next video.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, bye.